So now I've got my complete building. But you'll notice that my walls are not meeting the right parts. So let's go back to start floor 1, show snap modify others. I want to go show snap others. So I've got all my walls selected, AEC, fit walls to objects. This is start roof 1, start floor 1, start roof. Okay, now let's go to start floor 2. Click on those walls, AEC, fit walls to objects. Now you can't do these all together. You can't do it all at once. You've got to do it a bit at a time. Fit walls to objects. This is going start roof 2. Cool. So now I've got pretty much what I wanted, except you can see that my downstairs roof is running right through my building. So I'm going to have to fix that. Let's turn off the roof for there. Let's turn off the walls there. And so I can just see those two parts. I'm going to draw another rectangle. I'm going to go to start roof number 1. I'm going to trace over my existing upper floor. Now what I want to do is I want to make that a hole. That's the size of the hole that needs to go through my roof. So select the roof, select the polygon, right click, clip surface, and then delete. And now I've got a hole in my roof. So now when I put all those together, so I've got my start floor 1, start floor 2, roof 2. Let's just leave the roof off for a second. You can see I've got the perfect joint. So that's the way that I can make my roof fit exactly to my building. So this is a cool trick, really, this idea that you can just punch a hole using the clip surface. And it's going to lead us the ability to create some other really cool stuff.